Welcome back to Tech Man. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add pages to your Shopify store, which will enhance the organization of your site and improve customer navigation. Log into your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the Pages section by selecting Online Store from the left-hand menu, then click on Pages. Click on the Add Page button located at the top right corner. Enter a name for your new page in the designated field. Choose a default template for your page. This is crucial as opting for the default page template will prevent complications when customizing later. After filling out the necessary information, click on Save to create your page. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.